Conditional underscore debug underscore statement not executed though underscore debug underscore is true. Short version. I have a section of code I'm debugging that checks the value of underscore debug underscore and executes some code if it is true. The problem is that stuff never happens, even though underscore debug underscore appears to be true. Long version, details. To check this, I am printing out the values of several variables, most notably underscore debug underscore, to a file as the function executes, using the following pattern. I am using ars.open because open is already defined in this module. The piece of code I'm most confused by looks like this. And the output file looks like this. The first three statements, lines 82 to 84, are every way I could think of checking if underscore debug underscore is truthy, and all three imply that underscore debug underscore is true. Similarly, casting underscore debug underscore as a boolean and then evaluating if, line 88, works as expected too. Line 90 is a silly sanity check. Is there anything I'm missing in the way underscore debug underscore works that may be causing this? Note, I found this while I was working through an error I am getting in the underscore dap underscore function underscore call function in the pythonldap module. I only get this error when using is. Everything works fine with Django's development server.
If you rebind underscore debug underscore, it can cause symptoms exactly like this. This is because underscore debug underscore is somewhat magical. During module compilation, the same code that handles literals also handles the magic constants ... none, true, false, and underscore debug underscore. See, for example, extra underscore constant. If you run this on your code to dump out the bytecode, you'll see that if underscore debug underscore column statements are either removed entirely, or use load underscore const to load the compile time debug constant, while if bool underscore debug underscore column statements use load underscore global to load the value of underscore debug underscore. Of course these are guaranteed to be the same, unless you rebind underscore debug underscore. Somewhere around 2.3, it became illegal to just write underscore debug underscore equals false. In 2.7 and 3.0, it became illegal to bind any attribute named underscore debug underscore, which means you can no longer do things like sys.modules underscore name underscore dot underscore debug underscore equals false. But you can still do, for example, globals underscore debug underscore equals false. And either way, you get the same effect. This prints out. And likewise for code that sets it to true when run with Python O.